Have you ever wondered that why scientists call water the miracle molecule of life? 21% of Earth's surface is covered by water, and nearly 60% of the human body is made up of water. Despite being so common, water has some extraordinary properties found in nature. पानी सिर्फ पीने के लिए ही नहीं, बल्कि ये जिंदगी की बुनियाद है। हर लिविंग सेल्स के अंदर पानी मौजूद होता है एक किस्म का, और बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस इसी पर डिपेंड है। इवन कुरान भी यही वजाहत करता है कि जिंदगी की इब्तिदा पानी से ही हुई। So let's begin to explore this beautiful topic. What makes water so special, or the speciality of water? Water is made up of 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen atom. Its chemical formula is H2O, which we teach our students, and it has amazing parts. Say, like the oxygen side carries slight negative charge, while the hydrogen side carries a slight positive charge, and this makes water a polar molecule. And because of this polarity, water molecule attracts each other through hydrogen bonds. Water is known as a universal solvent because it dissolves more substances than any other liquid. Nutrients, minerals, oxygen, or even waste products travel through our blood because they dissolve in water. यानी हमारे जिस्म का ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम पानी की वजह से ही चल रहा है. Water has got the highest specific heat capacity, which means water absorbs a huge amount of heat before its temperature changes. That's the reason ocean regulates Earth climates and our body temperature remains stable. और अगर पानी अपनी ये खुसूसियत नहीं रखती और दिन और रात का टेम्परेचर एक्सट्रीम होता, तो जिंदगी जमीन पर मुश्किल हो जाती. Now it's got another property as well, meaning like a property of cohesion and surface tension, meaning water molecules could stick to each other because of hydrogen bonding, and it would create a sort of a surface tension which would allow insects like water striders to literally walk on water. You might have noticed spiders, they could walk, or other insects, they could walk on water droplets, and that's so beautiful when we look at it. And if I say that nature is full of amazing engineering, like a sort of amazing nature of ice floating, like every other substance, solid water, ice is less dense than liquid water. Can you imagine? Ice float on lakes and oceans, creating an insulating layer that protects aquatic life during winter. और suppose अगर बर्फ नीचे ही चली जाती surface level पे, तो aquatic life का भी जिंदा रहना possible नहीं था. And all systems of our body, such as digestion, respiration, circulation, brain function, muscle contraction, everything depends on water. Everywhere we've got water in our system of our body. Without water, DNA even cannot function properly, proteins lose their shape, and cells cannot survive. And in conclusion, if I'd say, because I have to do more episodes on water episodes, I would just keep on bringing more content on it. But for now, if I just say, water looks so simple, but scientifically it is one of the most remarkable molecule in the universe. A tiny molecule made up of only hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, which makes life possible on Earth. ये पानी सिर्फ पानी ही नहीं, इसके पीछे पूरी हिकमत का राज है, और हम इसको आगे भी एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. To explore this beautiful molecule in future, stay connected and stay curious. And a beautiful message that stay hydrated, keep exploring the science behind everyday's wonders. See you soon and follow for more. Bye-bye.